Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX, guys, that does not start, does not crank, does not start at all, guys, it could be, guys, a bad relay for the engine starter. And in today's video, guys, we'll explain where to find that relay, how to replace it, and if you need to buy one, we'll have the link, guys, listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let me, guys, start quick by telling you that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now, guys. First you need to open the hood of your Lincoln MKX. Next to your car battery, right here you have a fuse box. That fuse box, guys, you have one clip that you need to push in, and lift it up. Like that, and you can remove the cover just by twisting it a little bit. Now on the back side of the fuse cover, guys, you can see the numbers. That's a good thing. A bad thing, you don't know what each one of them does. So that's why we're making the video, guys. If the car doesn't crank at all, check that relay. You have a starter fuse as well. We have the video on the channel. Now we need to check relay number 42. This is relay number 42, guys, right here. And if you guys need to buy a new relay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Also, guys, we have a video that explains how to test those. That way you don't have to waste your money on a new one unless you have to buy one. So check out the video, it's on the channel. Super helpful video, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Lincoln MKX. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, guys. We'll try to make a video for your problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.